Hi guys, welcome to my channel Curlykinkydee. I am reviewing the Tgin Miracle Repairx Curl Protein Reconstructor, which has Black Honey and Biotin. The smell, guys, it definitely hasn't got like a crappy or distinctive smell. There's nothing wow factor. It smells normal. This is what the texture looks like. It's got like a smooth lotion feel to it. This is what it looks like in the jar. It's got like a loose jelly-like kind of consistency. So guys, I've pre-put, washed and sectioned my hair so it's ready for the application of this protein reconstructor. So let's take a handful, rub in my hands, and let's apply. So it's going on really fine, and I must say the slip is really good. This is what it's looking like. Let me show you guys close up. This is what it's looking like. The slip is great. So while I add the rest of the protein constructor to this section, let me read the direction to you guys. So it says apply the Repairx Curl Protein Reconstructor to your hair. For maximum penetration, cover with warm towel or plastic cap for 3 minutes and rinse out. For extra deep conditioning, follow with the Tgin Miracle Repairx Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. It also states on the jar that this is an intense restorative protein treatment that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. Guys, I'm finding that the detangling with this is brilliant. The slip is absolutely great, which is obviously making the application of this protein reconstructor insanely easy. Wow. Adding a bit more onto this section. Just look how my fingers are gliding through my hair strand. And guys, don't forget to concentrate on your ends as well, please. Make sure you coat your hair strands as well. Going on to the next section. And it's really not taking me like forever to apply this to my hair because the slip is absolutely amazing. Let's put this on. Guys, take your time with applying your protein treatments and deep conditioners. Always just take your time. Make sure you are coating every strand and just take your time working it in. Deep conditioning, guys, I cannot stress enough. It is so important for our natural hair. So important. And once again, concentrate on your ends as well. Just look how easy my hands are going through this. I'm actually loving this protein reconstructor. So I've done with this side of my head. Let me just add a bit more, especially to my ends. Remember, they are our elders. They've been around for the longest. So let's go on to the next side of my head. So applying some more to my hands, rubbing it in, and then applying to my hair. So I read a bit about what this product does, and it says it basically works to detoxify the hair by removing build-up and strengthen the strands by restoring protein in the hair. It says that also this product is free from parabens, sulfates, petrolatum, lanolin, artificial colors, or animal testing. And it states the benefits of this product is that it removes product buildup in hair and scalp. It promotes healthy scalp. It restores protein in hair to promote healthy hair growth, shine, and softness. So it does a lot of good, guys. It does a lot of good, it seems like it. So I'm coming to an end, guys. Coming to an end of applying it to all of my hair. So I will obviously, guys, be sitting under my steamer for 45 minutes as I have low porosity hair. So I will see you guys after 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, guys, ready to take it off. Because I also have protein sensitive hair, I stick to 45 minutes when it comes to proteins, or else my hair will become hard after rinsing it. So my hair feels soft, guys. I love this. Look at the absorption. Look how this product has absorbed in my hair. I love it, love it, love it. My hair feels soft. The definition of my curls is not really a wow factor, but my hair feels soft and refreshed. Yes, it feels really soft. And guys, out of the jar, I could still get about 3 uses. Even though I am heavy-handed, this is really that jar where the saying applies, a little goes a long way. So I will definitely be using this product again. This will go in my stash box. It will become a regular protein reconstructor for my hair when needed. Definitely. So guys, I want to say thank you for watching.